Hello all, my name is Dev. This is an introductory course on embedded programming. I hope you follow all my courses to understand what embedded programming is. The course content for this introductory video is what is 8051 microcontroller and embedded programming is, why to study embedded systems, an example of what an embedded system is, the difference between the microcontroller and microprocessor. The reference book which I strongly recommend you is 8051 microcontroller and embedded systems. The authors named Mazdi and Mazdi have clearly given you the details of what 8051 architecture is and how to program it further. Why to study embedded systems and what an embedded system is. Embedded system is nothing but a system which contains your hardware and software which is designed to do a specific task like temperature controlling, air conditioner, air cooler, heater control, and in many advanced systems like automotive control, aircraft control, engine management software. Those are the different applications of embedded software. This is one such example of embedded system. This is a temperature controller. You have LM35 sensor here. Temperature basically analog in nature is read by your sensor, and that sensor converts the read temperature equivalent value in volt, and that voltage is given as output to your analog to digital converter. This voltage as analog is converted to digital by your ADC. That digital data is further fed to your microcontroller. This microcontroller can only understand digital data. That is the reason why you need a separate analog to digital converter to read your temperature. This microcontroller can be programmed to turn on or turn off your cooler at your expected temperatures. Like when temperature is beyond 30 degrees Celsius, you want cooler fan to be turned on, and when it is less than 30 degrees Celsius, the cooler fan can be turned off. That program is put into your microcontroller so as this microcontroller will enable or disable your cooler fan when the temperature is beyond or less than the expected value. This is what I explained previously, like my embedded system does the specific task. Here this does the specific task of controlling your cooler fan. Once the program is burnt into your microcontroller, this microcontroller throughout its life it will do the same task. So now I think you understood what an embedded system is. The last slide in this introductory course is the difference between the microprocessor and microcontroller. Microprocessor will have RAM, ROM, timer, counter and serial ports. ROM is the code memory where you write your program. RAM is the area where you do all other arithmetic and logical operations. If at all you want to store your data, there you can store and retrieve. This timer is to do time related task, and counter is to count the external events, and serial port is to communicate between the different nodes using two wires called transmit and receive. This all will discuss further when we do program in upcoming videos. These are can be externally configured by the user with the microprocessor to make a system, whereas your microcontroller contain all the peripherals along with it. So the communication time between the peripheral to your central processing unit is less in term of microcontroller, whereas in microprocessor you can go for 2 or 3, whatever the number of timer or counter you want, you can configure. That is friendly with your processor. So here I complete my introductory video on embedded programming. In my upcoming course videos we will look more on embedded programming. Thank you all.